Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing the Ipsy icon box for the month of November and giving away one of the items to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. I've got a big one this month. It is a full-size Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I love the Natasha Denona formula. In the description box down below and our current giveaways, it talks about how to enter this one as well as the other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Too Faced That's My Jam palette. It's a super cute, fun little palette. I love the smell of it. Blueberries. So the Ipsy icon box is $60 and it comes out once a quarter, and it kind of replaces the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box, so you won't get that one that month. You'll get this one instead. I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking that out. I'll leave that in the description box down below. It's just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you, and you'll end up saving yourself some extra money by using it too. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. So it says experience 8 coveted products curated by beauty's biggest icons, worth up to $350. You guys, the icon for this one is Pat McGrath, the Pat McGrath. I only have one Pat McGrath palette and I absolutely love it. It was a holiday edition a couple of years ago. Love it. Can't wait to find out what is in here. So this one's kind of heavy. It is the Dew of the Gods, the Theory Retinol Moisturizer. It retails for $42. It's introducing the new standout favorite of your skincare routine with the soothing properties of oat milk, the collagen boosting benefits of retinol, and the deep hydration of hyaluronic acid. All-day moisturizer sure to become your holy grail. I see a Pat McGrath lipstick. It is in Elson. Retails for $39. Oh, everything in the icon box is always full size, by the way, FYI. So put everyone in a trance with this Luxe lipstick in just one swipe. Your lips will be enveloped in an intensely saturated and lightweight veil of red color. This unique, all-infused power in a bullet formula creates a soft focus effect, leaving your lips feeling supple and comfortable with the legendary wear. Plus, it's multi-purpose. The creamy matte texture can be applied in different ways, whether you want maximum payoff, a blurred stain, or even a tint on your cheeks. Here's what the inner packaging looks like. Oh, she's so pretty. I hope that she doesn't turn out. I think she's going to be more on the red-blue side. I don't really look good in colors that are on the red-orange side. What do you guys think? Oh, love it, love it, love it. I see another Pat McGrath product in here. It is the Divine Rose Liquid Quad in Eternal Eden. Now it does retail for $62. Main reason I don't have a bunch of Pat McGrath because I love her products is just that they're so expensive. So this is the rose-inspired palette. Is here to answer all your eyeshadow prayers with this luxurious silky formulation. These highly blendable and pigmented pink shades are truly a work of art, inspired by the spirit of the beloved Divine Rose. This collection of colors features both mattes and shimmers to help you conjure up the most divinely dimensional looks. Like that. It does have kind of a protective covering right here. Oh, you Guys, these colors are so pretty. They are so pretty. I love it. Don't want to swatch it because I don't know what I'm going to do with this one quite yet. From Too Faced Cosmetics is the Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer. Retails for $36, and this bronzer is the real deal. We're talking a natural looking bronze luminous glow and an undetectable finish. This light pink undertone in the dual shade formula is meant to perfectly mimic the flush of the sun, also known as no orange fake looking tan here. That's what the packaging kind of looks like. There's a mirror on this side, and she looks like that on the inside. I am so stoked about this one. I love the BeautyAmaB formula. You guys, this is a wet balm in rose water. Retails for $22. It is a highlighter and dull skin. Not if this glow-giving balm has anything to say about it. I have kind of dull skin, so I'm super stoked. Packed with hydrating and highlighting goodness. It's like a refreshing drink of water for your face and body. The lightweight formula effortlessly melts into your skin, leaving you with a rosy pink gloss skin finish, whether you wear it with makeup or not. So this is in the shade Rose Water. Look at this packaging. Look how pretty that is. It is so creamy. Can you see that? And I usually don't do cream highlighters, so I'm really anxious to try this one. It's just right here. It's just, like they said, the drink of water. I mean, you can tell how this side looks kind of dull. Look at it, dull. Not so much. From Gloss Modern, you guys, is a clean luxury shampoo and conditioner duo. Retails for $65, and it's a shampoo and conditioner. The dynamic duo not only nourishes your hair but also leaves behind an irresistible vacation-inspired scent that will have everyone asking, "What is your secret?" Both the shampoo and conditioner work to help protect your color and leave it more shiny and soft than it started. And for an added bonus, notes of Mediterranean almond and coconut scented with cognac evoke the warmth of a sunlight on your skin. From Drunk Elephant is the Silk Amino Conditioning Leave-In Milk. Retails for $32. It is full size. And the deep conditioning leave-in treatment that doesn't mess around, formulated with ingredients like amino acids, proteins, and nourishing plants-derived oils to help rebuild your weakened hair bonds and deeply moisturize for a stronger, smoother style. Plus, it helps protect against heat damage, so it's fully got you back, well, head. From Aceology is the Here We Glow a Berry Mask. So it retails for $44, and prepare to shine the best way with this face mask. The heavenly combination of powerful antioxidants from 5 berry extracts and 14 fresh fruit extracts will help leave your skin looking fresh, glowy, and plump with the help of kaolin to clear impurities and allantoin to renew your complexion. This mask will help you achieve noticeably glistening smooth and clarified skin that radiance from within. You guys, this was a great box. There was not a dud in here. This is one of my favorite boxes, icon boxes that they've done. I really like it. I mean, I would say my favorites are the 2 Pat McGraths and then the BeautyAmaB. What were your guys' favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. I absolutely love chatting back and forth with you guys. Let's give away that Aceology Here We Glow Berry Mask. I just have so many masks, and I'd much rather pass this on to you than having it sit here collecting dust and whatnot. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure to put on it that secret word, which is going to be icon, I-C-O-N. You can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you actually did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you actually did, because I do check and you don't want to be disqualified. So the 4 ways to get bonus entries are: number 1, follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB. Your second way is if you go follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. When you do mark your social media accounts, go ahead and tag me. I love seeing your guys' posts. And by you guys sharing it, it just helps the channel grow, and I really, really, really do appreciate that. YouTube's no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damage, customs, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through December 2nd, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on December 6th, what I'll do is I'll take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, first name, first initial of the last name, put this in the computer spins it around, and we all see it, and the computer picks, and then, so don't ask to win because the computer picks it. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!